Libman. In this video, we're going to create your custom loan portal page. So from your dashboard, navigate to the upper right avatar, select Manage Company, select Company Landing Page. So before we go ahead and create this page, let's take a look at an example of what it looks like. So I'm going to click on Preview. And here's a custom landing page that we created. It has a couple features that we're able to change. Number one is your logo. Number two would be the color of the black around the bar and the buttons, your picture, and your contact information. You're going to have the choice to make this standardized so that it's always the admin, or you're going to have the option to allow your individual loan officers to change this and customize it to themselves. If you allow your individual loan officers to change it, they'll be able to change their picture and their contact information, but the color and the logo will always stay the same. So I'm going to show you how to do all of that as we walk through this. So coming back to the creation page, first thing we're going to do is to create a domain name. Now, let me just click back to this link, this page for a second. You'll notice up here that the name Blue Hill, which is the company name, is in the URL itself. That's what we're changing. The name of the user is automatically in here, but we're able to change the name of the company. So it has no other purpose than that. It's not a real, it's not a website. It's just within the Starport universe, you're able to add this identifying feature, and that's what it's used for. It's used so that when you send this link to your borrower client, they might wonder, hey, what's this strange link that I'm being sent, or who's sending this to me? I mean, they're afraid to click on it, but when they see your name and your company name in the URL, they'll realize, oh, I know who this is from. It's a safe link. Let me click on it. That's the only purpose to this. We suggest keeping this short and identifiable. I wrote the whole name Blue Hill. You could just use the initials. You could say anything else that would be easily identifiable. Next, you'll upload your logo. Now, this is a little bit different than the logo you already uploaded on your company profile. The logo you updated in your company profile is used on every page of the platform. The logo you're updating now is only used on the loan portal page. You'll notice in my case, I am using two different logos. You can use the same exact logo. They're slightly different dimensions, which is why even if you were using the same logo, you're going to need to upload it again here, and it'll guide you along the selecting the dimensions. Next, the color. So this can happen in one of two ways. Number one, if you happen to know your hex number of your brand color, you can enter it here, making sure to put the number sign in front. If you don't, and you just want to choose a different color, if you don't know your hex number, you can use this color picker. Number one, slide the bottom color selector. This is where you choose the primary color, so red, green, blue, purple, or whatever else you are interested in. Let's select this purple general color, and then I can use this second circle to, within the purples, I'm now selecting the tone. So you'll notice that as I'm moving this circle, the hex numbers are changing, and the color that's in the circle is the color you're selecting. So pick whatever color you'd like, and wherever you drop it, that'll be the color. And then finally, there's this checkbox. So the checkbox is where you are able to determine whether you want to allow your individual loan officers to customize their loan portal page, or whether you want to fix it to your page. If you unselect it, then it's fixed to be the admin's information. If you select the box, then as it says, broker loan officers can customize their own landing page. That's the decision. Once you've completed this, you can select Save. It's going to ask me to make sure I want to override any page that I already have, and I said yes. And now if I was to go to Preview, it's going to take a moment to load. But once it does, you'll notice that my colors are now changed from the blue we looked at originally. It should be this purple color. And there you go. So it's that simple. The final thing I'll show you today is where do you get the link, the URL link, so that you can send it to your borrower clients. You don't get it on this page. This is where you create the landing page. You could come to your borrower's page, and you notice at the top is where the link is available. You can either cut and paste the whole link, or we've given you a quick, easy button. Just left click on copy. It's now copied to your clipboard, and you could paste this link in your own emails that you might want to send out. You could add it and embed it into your own website. You could add it anywhere you would like. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.